Hello everyone, welcome back to Forever Barca. Today we bring you an exclusive update on the ongoing Camp Nou construction. We'll focus entirely on the progress at the lateral sections, the installation of Lamas, and the finishing of structural elements. The lateral of the stadium is advancing rapidly. The lower Lamas have been installed, and teams are now preparing the third voladizo for the next concrete pour. We can see clear progress in the placement of brackets and the alignment of panels. Multiple Lamas are already secured on the lower levels. The area around the Gold Norte corner shows significant activity. Concrete pumps are positioned and ready, ensuring that the pouring process will continue without delays. Today, 2 concrete pumps were active in the lateral section, one white, one yellow. Lamas continue to be installed across the lower section. At least 3 Lamas are fully placed in the lower section. Structural alignment ensures that the Lamas will integrate seamlessly with upper layers later. Progress is not only at the base. In the VIP and upper sections, new aluminum structures are being installed for glass panels. Preparations for the installation of elevators and staircases continue. The second and third voladizos are gradually being assembled, with prefabricated pieces arriving on site and integrated into the structure. These improvements will provide VIP areas with full functionality and prepare the stadium for spectators. In the parking sections, concrete panels are being leveled and prepared for finishing. Workers are removing temporary supports after the concrete sets. Pipes and conduits are being integrated before the final surfaces are completed. This ensures structural integrity and smooth logistics in the final phases of construction. Most of the lateral is now fully formed and ready for upper-level construction. Panels and supports are being adjusted to fit remaining sections of the third voladizo. Today's update shows excellent progress on Camp Nou construction. Lower Lamas installed and upper structures progressing. Concrete festivals successfully pouring key sections. VIP and parking areas actively being prepared for final finishes. We are on track for full completion, and the lateral sections will soon be ready for operational use. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to document the construction. Thanks for watching this Camp Nou update. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more progress reports. Stay tuned. The transformation is just getting started.